We're here at South Melbourne Market, which I'm pleased to say is the first fresh food market in Australia to use our technology. So they've been a real vanguard for this. The market is very interested in reducing all of their landfill. One of the hardest things to do that with is organics. So this particular machine can do 1.2 tonnes per day. Compared to sending the product to landfill, we are reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 90%. And for every tonne that we avoid, we also avoid half a tonne of leachate. So if we looked at some figures over the course of a year, we've got a significant environmental benefit. The product that comes out of this, some of it's going to be bagged and will be available for sale in the market to keen gardeners, and part of the money from that will go to local community folks. So, you know, it's an opportunity to do some charitable work for the market as well. One of the traders' suppliers here is taking these big containers back to his farm in Werribee and using it. And for me, that's a wonderful story, because you've completed that whole loop, you know, paddock to plate, back to the paddock.
And we thought we had an opportunity to do something really, really cool with them, which nobody had done before and still have not done before. And they were willing to get on board. Not only are they giving us their food waste to put through big worm farms, but we're actually giving the market back the fertilizer that comes from processing that in the form of worm cast. There's a lot of environmental benefit from that. The biggest is that it prevents it going to landfill, where it becomes actually quite toxic. But I guess what I get really excited about is it turns something that was previously waste into something of value. It really shows that the market in the city of Port Phillip are willing to kind of go the extra mile to make a big impact environmentally.